This is the assembly video for the Hewitt heavy-duty bow stop. Lay out and inventory all of the parts. Place the mounting beams towards the center of your lift to accommodate the hull of your boat. Be sure to place the mounting beam with the 8 mounting holes towards the bow of the lift. Secure the keel plates using 9-inch nuts and bolts. Loosen the set screw and adjust the extensions to the appropriate length for your boat. Mount the rubber bumper to the bumper tube with the 1-inch hardware, making sure to use washers on both sides. Use a 3/8-inch socket and extension inside the extrusion. Place both uprights into the bow stops. Then go ahead and set the height to your specific boat. We can now mount the bumper to the vertical uprights, using the 1/2-inch nuts, bolts, and washers. To secure the extensions inside the main beams, use the 4-inch bolts and nuts. You're now ready to place the rubber caps on the end of the bumper tube. This completes the assembly of the heavy-duty bow stop.